Welcome back, wonderful students. Myself, Dr. Srinivas. This is my YouTube channel, Voice of Incredible Skin Srinivas. In this particular series, we are looking at Just Shut Up and Do It book, and in this video, we are going to cover the chapter number 7, Never Ever Give Up. This chapter is all about persistence, and the importance of never allowing the setbacks to dictate your journey. Never allow the setbacks to dictate your journey towards your goals. So let's dive in. There is no failure except in no longer trying. There is no defeat except from within. No really insurmountable barrier save our own inherent weakness of purpose. Brian Tracy opens with a fundamental truth: the only real failure occurs when you give up on trying. It's a reminder that the most significant barriers to our success often stems from within yourself. Our mindset and determination shape our journey far more than we might realize. Just imagine in 1895 a visionary named Orison Swett Marden spoke about success being twofold: get to itiveness, stick to itiveness, persistence and determination. Tracy emphasizes that persistence and determination are essential qualities for success. It's easy to start something, many people can do that, but continuing in the face of adversity, that's where true grit lies, true power lies. He draws a potential analogy here. Persistence is to the character of man what carbon is to steel. The more you persist, the stronger you become. And with the development of strength comes the ability to face challenges with confidence. Persistence and self discipline. Next, we learn about the relationship between persistence and self discipline. It's not merely about pushing through, it's about cultivating the discipline to keep going. You must develop the habit of perseverance through practice and repetition. Tracy's powerful mantra urges us to program our subconscious minds. No matter what happens, I will never give up. This simple declaration, when repeated, can transform your mindset and fortify you against any challenge and all challenges. Nelson Mandela wisely said, "Don't judge me by my success, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again." This resonates deeply with the students preparing for competitive exams. Each setback, each failure that might come is merely a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. Remember, only you have the power to determine your path and your success. You are in charge of your life. Tracy shares how he instilled this belief in his children by consistently reminding them, "You never give up." He programmed them for resilience. The idea here is profound. The more you repeat positive affirmations, the more ingrained they become. It's about internalizing those core beliefs that drive you to continue no matter the circumstances. Keep repeating this mantra. Never ever give up. Lastly, Tracy emphasizes the exhilarating quality of being unstoppable by declaring to yourself, "I am unstoppable." You not only ignite your determination but also eliminate the self doubt so that you are going to become truly unstoppable. When you cultivate the mindset of persistence, setbacks transform from barriers into lessons, driving you forward instead of holding you back. To everyone listening out there, as you prepare for your exams, remember that persistence is the key. Embrace challenges, they are not obstacles but they are lessons. Declare that you will never give up and you will become unstoppable in pursuit of your dreams. Join us next time as we continue exploring. Just shut up and do it. Until then, keep striving, stay focused, and remember success comes to those who persevere. All the very best, dear students. Happy learning. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.